Hey Hoopers! Here is a tutorial showing a unique way to exit out of a reverse escalator. Instead of the traditional catch in your hand, we will be using our forearm to fold the hoop up and overhead while incorporating some fancy footwork. Having a good understanding of a reverse escalator will make this tutorial much more accessible. First, ditch your hoop. If you are doing your escalator with your right hand, you will be kicking the hoop up with your left leg. When the hoop travels down your body, as soon as it's about to fall below your hip, kick your left leg up, push your left leg out to the side, and then step your left foot behind your right leg. Let's see that once more. When you kick your left leg up, you want to wait until the absolute last second so you can pinch your hoop in your hip crease and give it some momentum as you kick it up. Now, once you have the cross of the legs, you will add a rotation. You will be turning to the left. Your feet do not change position. You use the balls of your feet and your heels to spin all the way around until you face the front. Now, you are magically in the same position, but on the other side. You can do this both directions, and it's a great skill to have in your footwork toolbox to make moves look and feel a bit dancier. Now, check it out from the back. When the footwork feels comfortable, grab your hoop. Do your reverse escalator and kick your hoop up with your left thigh. As you step your left leg behind your right arm will reach outside the hoop and scoop the hoop up from underneath. You'll notice the palm of your hand is facing away from you. You will also simultaneously reach your left arm inside the hoop. Start by practicing making the full turn with just your feet. Once you complete the turn, pull your hoop up and overhead and unfold the hoop until you hold it with a normal grip. Finish the combo off by stepping your feet out in an even position as you pull the hoop onto your shoulders into a backpack. Eventually, when all of these elements start to feel fluid, all of these actions happen at the same time. You step your foot back, you hook your hoop, and you reach your free arm through. You'll also be spinning and unfolding the hoop simultaneously. And there you have it. Now you have a unique way to exit out of a reverse escalator. Feel free to ask questions, and please tag me if you tried this trick or create any new variation of this trick. I would love to see. Happy hooping!